Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bosal Tech. Let's talk about a mining website where you can mine TRX and also take withdraw from this website every second. Now, first of all, you can check out I have 0.3 TRX available in my account right now. Just click on withdraw option. Now enter your max amount of TRX. Then click on confirm request. Now you can see that this website going to pay us directly to our faucet pay account from this free cloud mining platform. You can also generate this type of free mining. How can you generate? I will teach you everything in this video. Welcome back friends. You can check out TRX mining made easy withdraw straight to first pay account from this free mining platform. And if you check out their statistics, you will be able to know that in just 25 days they paid out 36,000 TRX from this mining platform, almost 85,000 TRX deposited by different users, and you can check out only 24,500 using this website. How can you reach here? I will provide the link in the description, and you can also check out the comment section to be able to reach it very easily and quickly. Just click on get started option. Now you need to enter your first email address to start your mining in this website. Enter email, start mining, your mining will start here automatically. Recent payout. First of all, you can check out over here. If you make deposit here, you can generate big profit. 466 deposit withdrawal take place. Ringjo also take withdrawal for about 534 TRX from this website. Isamil take withdrawal 164 TRX. Relata take withdrawal from here 140 TRX very easily and quickly. Every second they are able to take withdraw from this website if they can make deposit here. This website giving you withdrawal every second, every single minute, means that you can take withdraw from this website. Even if you want to take withdraw from here 24 times in just one day, you can take withdraw from here every second. And we also have calculator available over here. If you can calculate your earning over here, depend upon your hash rate power. If you want, you can check out minimum you can purchase 10,000 GH hash rate power over here. Need to enter 10 GH hash rate power. You can check out. You need to make deposit of only 3 TRX in this website to generate 0.36 TRX every day from this website. If you can make deposit only 30 TRX, then you will be able to purchasing 1 lakh H hash rate power over here to generate and create big profit from this money platform. And you can see that you can generate 3.6 TRX every day. Now if you can make deposit only 300 TRX, then you will be able to generate 36 TRX per day, and total profit will be 360 TRX from this website every day. You can generate big profit from this website. Deposit method is very simple. Withdrawal method is very simple. I already show that withdraw proof of this mining platform. If you want to make deposit, just click on deposit option now, and you can purchase minimum 10,000 GH hash power with the help of 3 TRX. And if you want to purchase 1 lakh hash power, you need to make deposit only 30. If you want to purchase 1 million hash power, you need to make deposit only 300 TRX. And you also know that you already see that this website also pay you 500, 300, 150 TRX every single second. Just click on bonus option, then this website directly bring you into your faucet pay account like this one. Then scroll down, need to select your TRX currency. You can make deposit minimum 3 TRX and maximum as much as you want. You can make deposit here, depend upon your profit. And click on proceed to payment. You need to make deposit only 300 TRX if you want to purchase 1 million hash rate power in this website to be able to generate 36 TRX per day from this mining platform. And you can also purchase out more like this one. As much as you want, you can purchase from this website. If you can make deposit only 3,000 TRX, you can purchase, you can generate 360 TRX per day. 3,600 TRX you can generate in just 10 days, means that you can generate big profit. And if you want to believe on this website, you can check recent payouts. All time they show us recent posts so that you can believe on it. You can make deposit on this website to generate big profit from this website. You can check out each and everything is in front of you. Now hopefully you like it, you love it. If you got benefit from this website, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notify yourself about my all upcoming latest video. And after watching this video, if you still have any query or question about this money platform, you can ask me in the comment section. Hopefully you like it, you love it.